Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.1 question number 3. Find the value of. Let us find the value of number 1 is 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. We'll apply here the formula a to the power 0 is equal to 1, and also a to the power minus m, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, 1 by a to the power m. We'll apply these two formula, right? Here you'll find that 3 to the power 0, that is 3 to the power 0, where a to the power 0 is 1, therefore 3 to the power 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 by 4 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, right? Now we can write this as 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, right? Now if you add this one, that is we are getting LCM as 4, and we are getting 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2, or we are getting 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the power 2, or you can write here as 5 by 4, it is 5 by 4 into 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the 4, therefore 4 4 it cut, and therefore answer is 5. Therefore the answer is 5, and that is the answer of question number 1, right? Let's solve question number 2. Let's solve question number 2. Here is question number 2. Question number 2 is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 2, right? Here we will apply the formula a to the power a to the power m, a to the power m into a to the power m into a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We'll apply this formula, and we will apply another formula, that is a to the power a to the power m to the power n, and that is equal to a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n. We'll apply these two formula for solving this problem, that is question number 2, right? Here we got 2 to the power minus 1 and 4 to the power minus 1, right? Or you can use this formula also, that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m, 1 by a to the power m. We can apply these three formulas here. For this, let us find. Here is, in third bracket we can write that 2 to the power minus 1 into 4 to the power minus 1, 4 to the power minus 1 can be written as 2 to the power 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 1, right? After that you can write divided by 2 to the power minus 2, 2 to the power minus 2. Therefore here you see the base is same now. Here you can see that 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Now you apply this formula, that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So we will apply this formula 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2, or we are getting 2 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Therefore we are getting 2 to the power, we are getting 2 to the power, we are getting 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 3 minus of minus 2. Therefore we are getting 3 2 to the power minus 3, minus into minus is plus, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. Therefore we are getting 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 1. That is, we are getting 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 1, and that is equal to power minus 1, and that is equal to 1 by 2, and that is equal to, and that is equal to, that is equal to 1 by 2 by 2, and that is the answer. That is the answer of question number 2. Right? Now we solve question number 3. Here you see, this is the question number 3. Let us solve now question number 3. Now question number 3 here you see is question number 3, 1, 2, 3. Question number 3 here you see is this one. There is 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power minus 2, 1 by 4 to the power minus 2. Here we will find that we will apply this formula that a to the power m minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We will apply this formula here. Right? There is 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. It can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 2 plus 1 by 4 to the power 2. Right? Therefore we are getting 1 divided 1 by 2, that is 1 by, that is 2 to the power 1 but divided by 1 by 2, that is we are getting 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 plus here you see it is 3 to the power 2 to the power 2 plus here you see it is 4 to the power 2, it is 4 to the power 2. Right? 2 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2. Therefore we are getting 2 to the power 2 is 2 to the 4 plus 3 into 3 is 9 plus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 16. The 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 9 is 29. Therefore the answer of question number 3 is 29, and that is the answer. 29 and that is the answer of question number 3. Now let's solve question number 4. Now you see question number 4 here, you see is question number 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 to the power minus 1, 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power whole power is 0, right? Whole power is 0. We'll apply the formula a to the power minus m. A to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We'll apply this formula here. Here we are getting, you see here, that is 1 by 3 to the power 1, that is 3, plus 1 by 4 to the power 1, that is 4, plus 1 by 5 to the power 1, that is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 to the power 0, right? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, right? Now, if we add this one, or a to the power 0 is 1, we know that a to the power 0, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. That we can say the value of this figure will be 1, right? That the answer of this question is 1. This is the answer of question number 4. Now we solve question number 5. To solve question number 5, here you see question number 5 is in second bracket, it is minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2 to the power 2, right? We will apply the formula a to the power minus m, or we will apply the formula a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n to the power a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n. And also we'll use another formula, that a by b to the power m, you can write it here as a to the power m by b to the power m by b to the power m, right? Right? Here you can use this formula first, or you can use this formula also, that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power n, 1 by a to the power m, right? We'll use this formula first. Here you see that is 1 by minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 to the power 2, and in second bracket it is 2. Therefore can be written as 1 square by minus 2 by 3 to the power 22, that is 4. 22, that is, we are getting 2 to the into 2 is 4, right? Therefore we are getting 1 by, or 3 by minus 2 to the power 4, right? Therefore the answer is 3 by minus 2 to the power 4. That means we are getting 3 by minus 2, we are getting 3 by minus 2, 3 by minus 2, 4 times into 3 by minus 2 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 into 3 by minus 2, Therefore, we are getting, here you see, 339, 327, 27, 3, 339, 339, 9 is 81. We are getting 81. We are getting 81 divided by, here you see, 24, 48, 8 is 16, 16, 81 by 16, 81 by 16. Minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Therefore, the answer is 81 by 16. That is the answer of question number 5. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.